Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I am eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast.
I enjoy painting pictures.
I enjoy painting pictures.
I have a pet cat named Whiskers.
I have a pet cat named Whiskers.
I went to the park yesterday.
I went to the park yesterday.
I am learning to ride a bike.
I am learning to ride a bike.
I bake cookies on weekends.
I bake cookies on weekends.
I will visit my grandparents tomorrow.
I will visit my grandparents tomorrow.
I like rainy weather.
I like rainy weather.
I am studying for my exams.
I am studying for my exams.
I wrote a letter to my friend.
I wrote a letter to my friend.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
I drink a glass of milk every day.
I drink a glass of milk every day.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
I am practicing yoga.
I am practicing yoga.
I know how to swim.
I know how to swim.
I enjoy listening to music.
I enjoy listening to music.
I bought a new dress.
I bought a new dress.
I feel happy when I help others.
I feel happy when I help others.
I saw a rainbow after the rain.
I saw a rainbow after the rain.
I am planting flowers in my garden.
I am planting flowers in my garden.
I am afraid of spiders.
I am afraid of spiders.
I play chess with my brother.
I play chess with my brother.
I am saving money for a new bike.
I am saving money for a new bike.
I love eating pizza.
I love eating pizza.
I am planning a birthday party.
I am planning a birthday party.
I want to learn a new language.
I want to learn a new language.
I try to be kind to everyone.
I try to be kind to everyone.
I enjoy playing video games.
I enjoy playing video games.
I am learning to play the piano.
I am learning to play the piano.
I went hiking last weekend.
I went hiking last weekend.
I always say thank you when helped.
I always say thank you when helped.
I like to play basketball with friends.
I like to play basketball with friends.
I am good at solving puzzles.
I am good at solving puzzles.
I help my mom in the kitchen.
I help my mom in the kitchen.
I wrote my homework neatly.
I wrote my homework neatly.
I love visiting new places.
I love visiting new places.
I made a new friend at school.
I made a new friend at school.
I often go cycling in the evening.
I often go cycling in the evening.
I like to wear colorful clothes.
I like to wear colorful clothes.
I watch cartoons on Saturdays.
I watch cartoons on Saturdays.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
I always keep my promises.
I always keep my promises. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.